This is just a quick little video. I found this one for all TV antenna. It's not getting used at the moment. Just noticed that it's printed here. Risk of electric shock. Do not open. So, I want to know what's inside there. And can I run electricity? Can I connect things up to it? There is 4 little rubber pads need to come off. And then there's 4 little screws. Kind of excited about this because if there's a risk of electric shock, then there must be electricity in here. I just can't wait. I can connect the house up to this and get free electricity. Okay, there's the last screw. Oh. There appears to be a piece of material here, which is a weight. Okay. And a little circuit board. We don't want to touch that circuit board because there's a risk of electric shock. So let's get the multimeter, set that on to 600 volts. Get that supported. Okay, here we go. Oh. Okay, let's get the phase tester screwdriver. Nothing. Oh. That's strange. Looks like I'm gonna have to go with the finger. Oh. Did I read that correctly? Risk of electric shock. Do not open. Well, that was a load of rubbish. No electric shock at all. All there was is a little printed circuit board. And before I close it back up, we just have a look at the other side of the board and see exactly what's on there. Okay, all that's on the board is the coaxial cable coming in. I'm not picking that up very well. 2 cables going up to the antenna and 1 capacitor, and that's it. No electrical parts at all whatsoever. So that was a waste of time. Won't be powering the house off this. Okay, just a quick informational video, and thanks for watching.